Today we will learn how to get data from user and send to another activity. Here we can make age to accept number only. Okay. When we look at every edit text, it have ID. ID is very important, as we will use it in our code to get data from this edit text. So every text view and edit text has an ID, and it is very important. It is unique. There is no duplicate in it. Okay. We must get this ID and use in our code. Have a look here. When we create it, it has 8 plus. This is mean make a new ID. Okay. This name we can change it or leave it as it. Okay. So we will write our code. Here we will define edit text object, and we will specify name, age, phone, password, and email. This object from edit text, which we will use to get data from user. Name, we will make a cast to edit text and find view by ID. Every ID is saved in our file using ID, and we get the name of every edit text. Where is the name? It is here. Okay. Then we will make the same thing for every edit text. Age, and it take 2. Okay. Here the ID. For phone, we will make the same thing, and for password it take 4. For email, and the password 5. Then we will change 5, and here we will write email and take 4. So this code will find every edit text in this form to get the data and deal with it. Okay. To make a method to take the data and send to another activity, we will make a method on click here and write go to get. Okay. This method, alt enter, create go to get here. So we made a method go to get, which will take data from this edit text and send it to another activity. So we must create another activity. In BT1, okay. name it get data. Finish. We get our activity created, get data activity, and our file Java, then XML file. So we will return to our code to complete it. We will make intent, int, name it int, okay. It will go from here to a class name get data dot class. Okay, we must get data activity. It's name get data activity dot class. So you will go from our data activity and go to get data activity. We can't name it int, as this is a keyword for Java, so we can name it out or any name else. So now we will put in our intent data, okay, and send it to another activity. This method we will go to get data activity and want to send this data with it. So we will make out dot put etc and give it a name, okay, and take with it name dot get text dot to string. What will happen is to get data from edit text and send it with intent to another activity, okay. So we will make the same thing with all our edit text, okay, and name it age. This age is for edit text. Phone, we use the same name, okay. This is a string to use it after that, okay. You can name it anything, but I prefer to name it as I will use email, and last password. So this is our code where we use the object from edit text, name, age, phone, password, email. We must write it here outside every method in this class, and on create we must make find the view by ID, which will find our edit text ID from our file and make a cast, then put it here in name, age, phone, email, password. This ID is unique and we get it from our form here. We must be careful to get every ID for every edit text so we get the right data and send it. Okay. Then we make a method, go to get, which will take our data and send to get data activity, which we created. Okay. We use a method put etc. to get our data from edit text and send it to another activity. Okay, we must give it a name so we can use it after that. Okay, finally start the activity and give it our name. So we finished our code here. We will make a get intent here in get data activity so we could get our data from the other activity. This will be in our next session. Thanks.